Hi, in this short video I'll be sharing you how to design your PDFs. So I'm just going to create one page, which is just a results node, because that's where the PDF is created. So I've just dragged and dropped the results node from the right hand side, or the results page node. I've added in this little thing to say create the PDF, and this particular color is my background color for the PDF. I haven't picked any other color, so I haven't gone into appearance. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to make sure you don't waste any time. So you open up two tabs on your browser, and go ahead and pick the appearance one on this side. So that way we can make changes and go press save and continue, and not have to worry about going back and forth and over clicking everything. So I'm gonna publish this so we can see. Okay, it's demanding that I grab one of these. I'm just gonna go start, and I'm gonna go start. Let's give it a bit of a color here as well, might as well. And text should be close to white. And save and close, save and exit. Okay, and now I'm gonna publish this. Okay, so what does this look like now? As you can see, I've only added a background color to this, and but I haven't added any changes to these colors here. So what LeadsHook does, what the LeadsHook PDF does, it changes the HTML of this page into the PDF. Okay, that's what it's doing behind the scenes. So let's have a look at that. Start, and basically my PDF has been created. So to see what that looks like, we're going to go through, and I'm going to open up a third tab now. So I'm going to put that to the side here. That's to control my designs. That's to make sure that I don't waste too much time. Oops, I need to log in with a different access. Let me just pause this now. Hi, okay, so as you can see, what's happened here is my background color is controlled by the setting that I have over here in this under on the node level. So that's here, and what that's done is that's added in color over here. So we've got a white bit over here, and we've got the white bit on top. Now that image actually has no color, so this is the LeadsHook part. So that's basically this results page. All right, and so how do you make this blue as well? Okay, well, good question. Let's go ahead and change that. This card, and we'll go to the appearance. Yeah, we'll go to the appearance menu for that. General, go to body, and let's put a red color just to show you what it's going to look like. And I'm going to go save and continue, go back in here, publish it because we've made some changes. Yep, go ahead and do that, and we'll get rid of this. Come over here, we'll do a test. Oops. Cool. So that's the red that I just added in, which is the outer container. Come over here, and that's created would have created a PDF now. I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this. I'll show you what that looks like now. And that's the PDF link right there. That's if you want to transfer this to your email marketing system or CRM. That's the link you want to map, and that'll push through this PDF link. Right, so have a look. As you can see here, it has not added any color to this. So what we can tell from this is that the background color that we have, which is over here, has no effect. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and clear that. It's the container one that most probably will. So I'm going to give it another, let's give it like a green so we can see the differences. And I'm going to save and continue. I need to make sure we publish this. Okay, we'll get rid of that. I'm going to refresh this. Okay, so that's the green, and that's the green right there. That would have formed the PDF as well. Go back here, refresh, and now let's see what that looks like. Okay, so here we go. We've got the blue coming from the background there. We've got the green coming off here, but even this bit is missing now. So let's go ahead and adjust that, which I'll go into appearance. I'm gonna come over here and let's give this like an orangey yellow color. Right, save and continue. I need to publish this. The reason I'm taking my time to explain this to you, so you can see the differences. Normally you wouldn't do it. You just come in here and change these two to have the same color as the color you picked on the background here. But the reason why we give you the options is so you can create designs. So we have users who do designs of specific types, such as even adding an image to the background, because you come over here and you can actually add an image. So not just have colors, but have images. Okay, so let's go through this one more time. Okay, that's that yellow bit. Now let's have a look. The whole point of making it ugly is so that we can see the differences. Obviously, in reality, you won't. I'm going to go ahead and refresh. Okay, open that up. Now let's open the PDF. Right, so there you go. That's the three colors that we have. Now, what if I want to make it all look the same? Pretty simple. I'm going to come over here. Just going to grab that number, copy, discard, come over here, paste, paste, save and continue, publish. Okay, so that's giving us the full blue color. I come through over here and refresh this. That's giving us this PDF. Let's have a look. So there you go. There's the other background. We can get rid of this line. But that's in a nutshell is what how to get the background color to look the same. Okay, so here's my last setting, and I've been able to get rid of all the background stuff, and you can have a look at the appearance. What I've changed is under the body. This is not required. I was just doing a testing, but the container and the panel have the same color, and I've also matched that same color over through to through this one over here as well, and that basically creates a PDF. Now the border you see over here, which is the little white bit, that will have to remain because that acts as a margin to cut off the content. If you have a multi-page PDF, what happens is the text continues to roll all the way to the end, and it looks quite ugly. And so that's going to have to remain for now. We're working on options to maybe somehow add logo or a page number, things of that sort. That's going to be coming in a couple of weeks. But apart from that, to add any further designs to this, to add any more things to it, it's just really limited by what you can do over here, or unlimited by what you can do over here. Because if you want, you can add all kinds of custom HTML, CSS, and turn this into a beautiful looking results page. And when you do that, it will generate whatever the PDF version of that is. So though I'm only showing you a very basic version of just an image with some background color, you can actually go ahead and style it any way you want, results, as well as the other input of results, which is the results pages, which are results that go onto results pages, and you could format those as well in any way that you want, add as much design and design options that you want. So hopefully that kind of gives you a bit of an idea about how this is being designed. If you have any questions, please get back to us with support, and I look forward to helping you out. Bye for now.